Hello YouTube, this is Master here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server plugin permissions. Sorry, it's Group Manager, and I'll show you how to set permissions. To create a rank, you do manage add, and then the rank name. So I'm going to pick like Master is going to be my rank of choice, but please click like when you're done with this video, and yeah. So the automatic default rank is called default when your players join for the first time, or you join right now, like getting the plugin, you will notice that you are at default, and that's the first rank you can be. But you can always change the prefix. It doesn't really matter. But yeah. And then the second part, you can add prefix, add v, default, essential, prefix, and then the prefix. Hi, YouTube. Notice that there's no space between it. In order to do that, you have to do space and or something stupid like that, and then it works. Ta-da! Okay, now to do the same, you can do the same thing except for put a U, and U means user, G means group. And you could add the prefix to a certain player of your choice. Master Blade Port. And you add Master Blade Word Essential. Sorry. Then you add V Master Blade Word prefix, and you put the prefix. Now, when I type, it has that certain prefix we just assigned to it. Ta-da! Now, to add a rank permission, you do manage add p. Rank is default. And then a command. For any essentials command, look down here, you type that help. It brings up a help menu when they go to go look at the permissions. And in a normal plugin on a homepage, it will say a bunch of permissions for all the ranks. For all the commands. To inherit, let's just say that you gave all the defaults, the TP, the money, the balance, and you don't want to do it again. You can manage it, add high. The new high rank would be like master, and then the lowest rank would be default, and it copies the permissions over, and both ranks have the permissions. If you don't want it to be del I, and then you do the highest rank to lowest rank. Delete a user. Let's say you add a certain prefix name. You do del Master Blade Lord, and it brings me back to default. But yeah, so sorry about that. And so yeah, so if you ever want, now you see the part where it says add. If you at all want to delete it, you just change add to del on any of these permissions and any of these commands. And G add. Okay, like you see what the G is. Well, if that was the username, if you want, actually, if you change the G to a U, it will only be active for one player. And yeah, that's works for every command. And you don't. What else do I have to say? Oh yeah, if you want your ranks to be worldwide, you have to go into your console. And you go to the config, and you go to config.yml, and then make sure you have the add all unnamed worlds in there. You save it, and you're good to go. So yep, please like and subscribe. Of course, please leave questions below. for me to answer anytime. So yeah, thank you. Like, subscribe, and have fun with the plugin.